Today we're checking out the Dreame Aero Pro Stream cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner. This is our 10th Dreame wet dry vacuum and our 38th overall. Huge thanks to Dreame for sending the sample. This video is not sponsored, and as always, all opinions are our own. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description, along with a link to our daily vacuum deals site. Be sure to check that out anytime you're shopping for a vacuum. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box, you'll find the main unit, snap-in handle, charging base with power cord, extra washable filter, cleaning brush, and the product literature. Setup is quick and straightforward. Snap the handle into place, fully charge the unit, fill the clean water tank, and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about performance. At MSRP, the Aero Pro Steam sits roughly $150 above the overall category average, although that comparison includes non-Steam models, which naturally lower the average price. When compared only against Steam models we've tested, the Aero Pro Steam actually comes in about $75 below average, which is great to see. On paper, suction is rated at 28,000 pascals, which is 3,000 pascals higher than the standard Aero Pro. That also makes it the highest rated model we've tested so far, surpassing both the Tyneco S9 Master and the Roborock F25 Ace Pro Foam. It's also well above the category average of 19,000 pascals. In our studio testing, we measure real-world in-use airflow and pressure to get a more practical picture of cleaning performance. The Aero Pro Steam delivered above average airflow, peaking at 419 feet per minute compared to the 413 category average. That said, it still fell slightly behind the regular Aero Pro, which reached 431 feet per minute. Interestingly, in-use pressure measured below average at 1.06 kilopascals versus the 1.25 category average. Even so, that result was still significantly better than the regular Aero Pro, which scored just 0.72 kilopascals. We're still working to identify consistent patterns between manufacturer suction claims and our real-world pressure testing, so we'd recommend viewing those figures as directional rather than absolute. Battery life is another strong point, with a rated runtime of up to 70 minutes compared to the 42-minute category average. As always, keep in mind that manufacturer runtime claims are based on ideal lab conditions, so real-world performance will vary. Steam mode is rated for up to 20 minutes, although from our testing that estimate feels a bit optimistic. Noise is rated at 72 decibels, that is below average for this category and quieter than a cordless vacuum cleaner. The clean water tank holds 1,000 milliliters and the dirty water tank holds 600 milliliters. I did notice the dirty tank fills relatively quickly, especially if using it in lie flat mode, so a larger capacity would be a welcomed addition in the future. Despite the large clean water tank, weight feels manageable because the tank sits over the brush head instead of in the handle. Usually that design makes units too tall to fit under our kitchen cabinet toe kicks, but surprisingly, the Aero Pro Steam fit with room to spare. That's great to see since similar designs from Tyneco and Roborock often come up just short. Personally, I would accept slightly more weight if it means better low clearance reach. One standout feature is the true 180-degree lie flat design, allowing it to reach under furniture as low as 5 inches. Dreame also added a small support wheel midway up the body. I do wish that wheel had been positioned at the very top of the handle instead of relying on the rubber contact point, as that creates a bit more friction when the unit is fully flat. It's a minor gripe, but still worth mentioning. You also get dual edge cleaning for baseboards and corners, along with the anti-tangle comb design to handle long hair and pet hair. In our very hairy household, it has done an excellent job preventing tangles. One noticeable omission is the lack of an LED headlight, as well as no spray trigger or heated water floor washing. Yes, it does include steam cleaning, which is great, but it still feels a little strange not having the option for traditional hot water washing alongside it. After each cleaning session, the roller goes through an automated self-cleaning cycle that can utilize steam cleaning, followed by 203-degree hot air drying. The drying cycle takes just 5 minutes and leaves the brush dry and odor-free. Docking is simple, just lift the unit and place it onto the base. After using a push and dock system on the Mova X4 Pro, I do find myself wishing more brands would adopt that design for the added convenience. The steam cleaning is easily the Aero Pro's standout feature and, for the right household, can be a genuine game changer. Steam performance is solid overall. It does take a few minutes to fully heat up, which is understandable, although I do wish the process felt a bit more instantaneous. While steam is highly effective, it's not a miracle solution for every stubborn mess. Where it really shines is in households looking for a more natural cleaning approach, whether that's to reduce chemical use, create a more non-toxic environment, or simply save money on cleaning solutions over time. Looking at online customer experiences and reviews, the Aero Pro Steam is a new release, so information is limited. Everything so far sounds a lot like what we've been saying with most users and reviewers praising its strong cleaning performance, steam sanitation, and low maintenance design. Common criticisms center around battery life, the lack of an LED headlight, steam heat up time, and some users wishing for heated water washing in addition to steam. So, what's missing? First, the display still does not show an exact battery percentage, which feels frustrating at this price point. There's also no LED headlight, and honestly that's baffling to me. LED lighting should be standard by now. I've used some excellent lighting systems on other wet dry vacuums, and they genuinely improve the overall cleaning experience, especially in darker areas and along edges. As mentioned earlier, there's also no spray function or heated water floor washing. That was one of my biggest complaints with the standard Aero Pro, so while I'm glad Dreame introduced a steam version, it's still disappointing that you don't get a traditional hot water washing option alongside it. Finally, battery life could still use some improvement, although that's somewhat expected with a cordless steam floor washer. If you plan to steam clean large areas or use steam daily, a corded model is probably the better fit for that kind of workload. The Aero Pro Steam feels better suited for room-by-room cleaning, targeted steam cleaning, and regular spot maintenance rather than full home steam cleaning sessions. Bottom line, the Dreame Aero Pro Steam is one of the more compelling cordless steam floor washers we've tested, combining strong cleaning performance, excellent edge cleaning, great anti-tangle performance, and an impressive lie-flat design at a surprisingly competitive price for a steam model. The steam functionality is the standout feature, and it makes it especially appealing for households looking to reduce chemical use while still offering solid overall value compared to many premium steam competitors. While the lack of an LED headlight, spray trigger, and heated water wash mode are disappointing at this price point, the Aero Pro Steam still feels like a strong step forward for Dreame and a solid option for the right buyer.